Windows Phone 8 device from Nokia. So before moving ahead, I would just like to give you a brief info about the specifications of the device. It comes with a 4.5-inch Pure Motion HD Plus clear back display, which is one of the best displays available in the market. It is powered by a 1.5 GHz dual core processor along with 1 GB of RAM, and it comes with 32 GB internal storage, so you need not to worry about the storage. So today we are going to play a few games like Gun Bros, Fruit Ninja, Asphalt 5 and Mirror's Edge on the device and see how does the device performs. The gaming test would also give you a brief idea about the performance of the device, because all the games we are going to play are a bit resource hungry games and would show you how powerful this device is. So without much of the talk, we would just move ahead and start with the first game, which would be Gun Bros. So here you go. As you can see, the game has pretty good graphics. Uh, Here's a player. Okay, we are dead. As you saw, the game was running quite smoothly on the device and we faced no problem while playing the games, and the graphics are pretty good. So let's move on to our second game, which is Fruit Ninja, which is one of the most popular games for the smartphones. New game, classic mode. Oops, never saw that. Oh. Okay, so our second game, which was Fruit Ninja, is also running quite smoothly on the device and we haven't faced any lag. So let's move to our third game, which would be Mirror's Edge, which is one of the best games available for Windows platform. Currently we are in the training mode, so you would see some pop-up messages showing us how to play the game. The game is running quite smoothly on the device, and as you can see, the graphics of the games are quite good. We have seen such kind of graphics usually on normal tablets or the PCs. As you saw, the game was running quite smoothly on the device, and it is one of the games which requires decent performance from your device, as it is a resource hungry game. Let's move on to our last game, Asphalt 5. This is one of the best racing games available across various mobile platforms. As you can see, our last game, Asphalt 5, is also running quite smoothly on the device. Overall, we've played 4 games on the device: Gun Bros, Fruit Ninja, Mirror's Edge and Asphalt 5, and we faced lag in none of these games. So Lumia 920 is a great device for various games, and you can play all the games present for the Windows platform. So that's all about the gaming test of Nokia Lumia 920. So if you're considering to opt for this device and play a lot of games available for the Windows platform, then go ahead and opt for this device. You won't be disappointed with the device, as it can play all the games available for the Windows platform. That's all about the gaming test of the Nokia Lumia 920. We would be covering various other features of the device in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.